Hi students. So today I am going to discuss the admission of a partner first problem. Okay. So here in case of admission of a partner, so what are the accounts we have to open? So first of all we have to open a revaluation account. Okay. After revaluation account, next goodwill account, cash account, general reserve account. Okay, if PNL is there, if in balance sheet PNL is there, profit and loss account also we have to open, and partners capital account, and finally we have to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, once again I will repeat. See, in case of admission of a partner, what are the accounts we have to open? Once you see ledger accounts ma. Okay, so here the ledger accounts are first revaluation account, okay, next cash account, goodwill account, general reserve account, profit and loss account. Okay, if profit and loss is given in balance sheet, then we have to open, even general reserve also if given in balance sheet, then we have to open the general reserve account. Okay, and partners capital account, and finally balance sheet. So these are the accounts we have to open in case of admission of a partner. Okay, so in the previous videos I have regarding admission of a partner, I have done 2 videos. There I have explained regarding admission of a partner and its journal entries also. Okay, clear? So now we are going to do the first problem. See here ma, the following was the balance sheet of Ram and Rahim. The following was the balance sheet of Ram and Rahim, who were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as under as given. Okay, so here Ram and Rahim are the old partners. Ram and Rahim are the old partners, and their sharing ratio means profit and losses they are sharing in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, their balance sheet is given here. Okay, before admitting new partner, what is their balance sheet? That balance sheet has been given over here. So once you see the balance sheet here, bills payable, trade creditors, general reserve, profit and loss. So general reserve he has given, profit and loss he has given. So here we have to open general reserve account, and profit and loss account also we have to open. Okay, next capitals he has given, and assets also he has given, bank, data, stock, investment, furniture, buildings. Okay, assets also he has given. Now once you see here, on 1st April 2019 they agreed to admit Mr. Peter. So on 1st April 2019 what they have done, they have admitted a new partner. His name is Peter, has a new partner for 1/5 share in profits on the following terms. So 1/5 share in the profits. Okay, so first once you see here, what are the conditions he has given? Once you see here, Peter should bring 40,000 for capital. So Peter, how much he has to bring? 40,000 for his capital, and 20,000 for goodwill in cash. For 20,000 goodwill in cash. Okay, he has to bring 40,000 as a capital and 20,000 as goodwill in cash he has given. Next, depreciates furniture by 5% and stock by 10%. So here furniture is decreased by 5% and stock has been decreased by 10%, means assets. So furniture is an asset, stock is also asset. Both have been decreased by 5%. Next, appreciate building value by 15%. So here the building value has increased. Appreciation means what ma? Increase. So the building value has been increased by 15%. Next, provide for bad debts at 5% on debtors. So provide for bad debts on 5% on debtors he has given. So give necessary journal entries and ledger accounts and opening balance sheet of the new firm he has asked. So this is a question what he has given. So here they are admitting a new partner, so then it is called as the admission of a partner sum. Admission of a partner sum. Okay, and one more thing, while doing this admission of a partner, you have to see the goodwill. You have to observe the goodwill. So here the goodwill is bought in cash ma. Goodwill is bought in cash. When the goodwill is bought in cash, it is retained in business. It is written in business. Okay, treatment of goodwill will be different for different situations. Okay, so here the goodwill is bought in cash. Now when the goodwill is bought in cash, it is nothing but it is written in business. Okay, so now first of all here what we will do, see here. So first first of all here we will write the journal entries. We will write the journal entries, or else directly you can do the ledger accounts also. So after doing the ledger accounts, now I will explain how to write the journal entries. Okay, so first we will do the revaluation account. So once again I will repeat, for doing a revaluation account, what you have to see means, you have when we have to do when we have to do the revaluation account means when there are any changes in the assets and liabilities. When there are any changes in the assets and liabilities, only in that case we have to do the revaluation account. Only in that situation we have to do the revaluation account. Remember the point, ma. When there are any changes in the assets and liabilities, only in that situation we have to do the revaluation account. Okay, so here in adjustments they have given a changes. What are those changes? Once you see here, depreciate furniture by 5% he has given, and stock by 10% he has given, and appreciate building value by 15% he has given, and provision for bad debts on at 5% on debtors also he has given. Means here what is happening, there are changes. Okay, in furniture there is a change, in stock there is a change, in buildings there is a change, and even provision for bad debts also has given. Means there are changes in assets. So when there are changes in assets, compulsory what we have to do, we have to do a revaluation account. Okay, revaluation when we have to do, when there are any changes in assets and liabilities, then only we have to do the revaluation account. Okay, now first you see here, first we will do the revaluation account. So in the question first what he has given, depreciate furniture by 5% he has given. Depreciate furniture by 5% he has given. So furniture value in the question how much he has given, once you see, ma. So this is the revaluation account. Okay, date particulars JF amount, date particulars JF amount. Okay, and here debit and credit, debit and credit. So once you see here, first of all in the question what he has given, ma, furniture has been decreased, depreciated he has given by 5%. So see here, furniture account 2, and one more point here, asset decrease debit by. Already in the previous videos I have explained about it. So if there is a decrease in the asset, if any asset is decreased, okay, so in case of asset decrease you should take it in revaluation account debit side. In case of asset increase you should take it in revaluation account credit side. In case of liability decrease you should take it in revaluation account credit side. In case of liability increase you should take it in revaluation account debit side. So these points you have to remember. Okay, so here furniture has decreased. So furniture has decreased means which side we should take, debit side. To furniture account 25,000 into 5%, ma, 5 divided by 100. So 25,000 into 5 divided by 100 you do. So two zeros cancel. So 250 into 5. So 1250 we got. And next point what he has given, and even stock has been decreased. Even stock has been decreased. So 30,000 into 10 by 100. 30,000 in 10 by 100. Stock has been decreased by 10% now, so 30,000 into 10 by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, so 3,000. Okay, next point what he has given, appreciate building value by 15% he has given. So by buildings account 60,000 into 15 by 100, ma. So two zeros cancel, 600 into 15. See here, two zeros cancel, 1600 into 15, so 9,000. Okay, next point what he has given, provide for bad debts at 5% on debtors. Means provision has to be created, new provision has been created on debtors. So if we are creating if we are creating any provision on bad debts, it should be in debit side. To provision for bad debts. To provision for bad debts on debtors we have to calculate on debtors. So debtors value is how much, 40,000. So 40,000 into 5 by 100. 40,000 into 5 by 100. So two zeros cancel. So 2,000 it is. 2,000. Okay, once again I will repeat. See, furniture has decreased 25,000 into 5%, 1250, and stock also has been decreased 30,000 into 10%. It is 3,000, and we have created a provision. Okay, on debtors here what he has asked to create a provision. So 40,000 into 5%, it is 2,000, and buildings value has been increased. Building value has been increased, so 60,000 into 15%, so total 9,000. So now what we have to do, we have to calculate whether we got a profit or loss. So now credit side is more. So credit side how much we got here, 9,000 we got. 9,000 minus 1250, 3,000, 2,000. So 9,000 minus debit side, ma, 1250, 3,000, 2,000. So the balance what you got, that is 2750. Okay, balance is the balance what we got, that is 2750. Okay, 9,000 minus 6,250. 9,000 minus 6,250. The balance how much we got here, 2750. This 2750 you have to share to the both the partners, to both the old partners you have to share. Okay, sharing ratio is old ratio. Sharing ratio is old ratio. So 2750 into 2 by 5, 2750 into 3 by 5. So how much we got here, 1100 and 1650. Okay, once again I will repeat, 9,000 minus 6,250. So the balance we got this side. So then it is a profit. It is a profit. Okay, this profit you should share to whom? To the old partners in the old ratio. To Ram and Rahim we have to share. So here Ram share is 1100 and Rahim share is 1650. Okay, till here it is clear, I think so. Afterwards, in the question what he has given ma, in the balance sheet general reserve he has given. So general reserve is related to the old partners. It is related to the old partners. So general reserve, what we have to do, we have to share to the old partners, means we have to transfer to the old partners. Okay, general reserve is a liability. Listen carefully, general reserve is a liability. For liability the opening always will be credit. For liability the opening always will be a credit. So by balance brought down, okay, 20,000. By balance brought down 20,000. General reserve amount, how much he has given in the question? 20,000. So by balance brought down 20,000. Okay, here credit and debit. Okay, balance brought down 20,000, and this 20,000 we should share to the old partners, to Ram and Rahim in the old ratio. Okay, so to Ram's capital account 20,000 into 2 by 5, to Rahim's capital account 20,000 into 3 by 5. In all the questions, if suppose you are opening a general reserve account, always first by balance brought down one. Always first by balance brought down 20,000. Now this 20,000 we should share to whom? To the old partners, to Ram and to Rahim. So 20,000 into 2 by 5, 20,000 into 3 by 5, 8,000 and 12,000. Afterwards in the question even he has given a profit and loss account. In the question he has given balance sheet liability side, what he has given? Profit and loss account he has given. Even for the profit and loss account also, what we should do, we have to open an account. So it is also liability item. It is also liability item. So same, by balance brought down 10,000, and this 10,000 we should share to the old partners in the old ratio. To Ram's capital account 10,000 into 2 by 5, to Rahim's capital account 10,000 into 3 by 5. Okay, you got the point here. So in question liability side, old profit he has given, even that profit is related to the old partners, so that's why we have to share to the old partners. So 10,000 into 2 by 5 and 10,000 into 3 by 5. Okay, 4,000, 6,000 we got. After that, here goodwill. So here goodwill is bought by whom? New partner, Peter. Goodwill is bought by the Peter in the form of cash. How he has bought? In the form of cash he has bought. Okay, so that's why here goodwill is bought in the form of cash na. So by cash account 20,000. By cash account 20,000. By cash account 20,000. Okay. When the goodwill is bought in cash, so always you have to do account in this manner only. For all the questions, remember, for all the questions, when goodwill is bought in cash, if suppose in the question he has given when goodwill is bought in cash, then compulsory, first of all you have to write by cash account 20,000, and now this we have to share to old partners. This we have to share to old partners in sacrificing ratio. But in this question we are not, we don't have any sacrificing ratio. So that's why what we are done, we have calculated in old ratio only. So 20,000 into 2 by 5, 20,000 into 3 by 5. So this procedure is same for all the questions when the goodwill is bought in cash. First of all, by cash 20,000, and to Ram's capital 20,000 into 2 by 5, to Rahim's capital account 20,000 into 3 by 5. So 8,000 and 12,000. Afterwards, next cash or bank account, bank or cash account. So here cash or bank is an asset. Cash or bank is an asset. Okay, for all the questions this is same procedure ma. Remember, for all the questions when goodwill is bought in cash, it is the same procedure. Okay, okay now. Now here said cash or bank is an asset. For asset the opening balance is debit. So to balance brought down the amount which is given in balance sheet. Okay, the amount which is given in 30%, the amount which is given in balance sheet, bank account 10,000 he has given. So this amount you have to take first. To balance brought down, this 10,000 you have to take. Okay, so to balance brought down 10,000, and Peter he has bought a capital. Peter what he has done? He has bought a capital, that is 40,000. Okay, and goodwill. Peter he has bought a goodwill in the form of cash na. Nothing but the cash transactions we are taking in this cash account or bank account. Okay, the cash transactions all we are taking in this account. Okay, so first to balance brought down 10,000 which is given in balance sheet asset side, and Peter he has bought a capital 40,000 and goodwill he has bought 20,000. Now add total this. Total is how much more? 70,000. That 70,000 is by balance carried down. 70,000 is by balance carried down. Okay, and this amount you should take it in in balance sheet asset side. This amount 70,000 you should take it in balance sheet asset side, and next to balance brought down 70,000 you have to close it. Okay. Next afterwards what we have to do, partners capital account. So here partners capital account, we are doing a capital account. In case of capital account, capital is a liability. Capital is a liability. For liability, just now I have said in case of general reserve and P&L, for liability compulsory balance will be credit side, opening balance will be in credit side. Okay, so here we have a 3 partners. Okay, how many partners are there here? 3 partners are there. Okay, this is a part, 3 partners are there now. So date, particular, JF, 3 partners, 3 amount columns, Ram, Rahim, Peter. Date, particulars, JF, Ram, Rahim, Peter. Ram, Rahim and Peter. So first you should take the old partners capital, old capitals, which is given in question, which is given in the question. Also see the question over here. See here. So capitals Ram and Rahim. First you should take these capitals, which we have to take it in credit side. So by balance brought down 50,000 and 30,000. Next, by revaluation profit, means in partners capital account you have to take all the transactions which are related to the partner. In partners capital account you have to take all the transactions which are related to the partner. So by revaluation profit 1100 and 1650. Okay. Next, by general reserve. For Ram we have given 8,000 and Rahim 12,000. By P&L 4,000 and 6,000. By goodwill 8,000 and 12,000. And by cash account, Peter he has bought a capital of 40,000. Okay, once again I will repeat Seema. First of all you have to take the capitals of the old partners and all the transactions which are related to the old partners and all the transactions we have to take. Revaluation profit we got 1100 and 1650. Okay, and general reserve 8,000. General reserve also we have shared na 8,000 and 12,000. By P&L account 4,000 and 6,000. By goodwill account 8,000 and 12,000. By cash account 40,000. Okay, now here what we have to do, here in the debit side we don't have anything. Okay, in that case now total it. Okay, the total will be the balance carried down. First Ram 50,000, 1100, 8,000, 4,000, 8,000. Okay, total it. Total how much we got here? 71,100 we got. This total will be the here balance carried down. If suppose is there anything here, then we used to deduct. But here we don't have anything. So the same amount will be the balance carried down. And in case of Rahim, 30,000, 1650, 12,000, 6,000, 12,000. Total is 61,650. Okay, total is how much? 61,650. And okay, and Peter is how much? 40,000. So the same amounts will be the balance carried down. This is a balance figure, and these are the new capitals. So next what we should do, by balance brought down we have to write it. Okay, 71,100, 61,650 and 41,000. Same, the balance carried down will be here balance brought down. Okay, after that next what we have to do, we have to open a balance sheet. We have to prepare a balance sheet. Okay, see here. In case of balance sheet, how we have to do? So by seeing the question itself, directly we can do the balance sheet. Okay. So first what is there here? Bills payable. So here regarding bills payable, we don't have any adjustment. So directly take the bills payable. Okay, 25,000. Balance sheet of Ram, Rahim and Peter as on 1/4/20 here. See here. So bills payable, liability side first we are doing. So bills payable, for bills payable we don't have any adjustment. So bills payable 25,000. Afterwards trade creditors. Regarding creditors also we don't have any adjustment. So trade creditors 50,000. Next capitals. New capitals. In the partners capital account we got the new capitals now. So once you see here, general reserve already we have shared. Profit and loss already we have shared. So that's why I have not taken here. So here next capitals we have to take. The capitals which we have what we have to take means the capital partners capital account we have prepared. So those capitals we have to take. Those are called as a new capital. Those new capitals you have to take. 71,100, 61,650 and 40,000. Add these three amounts, you got 1,72,750. Okay, this is in case of liabilities. Next, coming to the assets. So first what we have here? Bank we have. What we have here? Bank. So bank, how much it is? 10,000. Here he has given. But already we have prepared a bank account now. Already what we have done? We have prepared a bank account. So that 70,000 you have to take. Next, what he has given in the question? Debtors he has given. So debtors 40,000 minus provision for bad debts. 2,000. Okay, 2000 you have to deduct. Provision he has given in the question, na? So that provision you have to deduct. So 40,000 minus 2000, so 38,000. Next, what he has given? Stock 30,000 he has given. So stock 30,000 minus depreciation 3,000. 30,000 minus depreciation 3,000, so 27,000. Next, what he has given? Investment 20,000 he has given. 20,000 here we don't have any adjustment regarding the investment, so directly you have to take it. Next, what he has given? Furniture. So regarding furniture we have adjustment. So furniture 25,000 minus depreciation 1250. 25,000 minus depreciation 1250. Okay, 23,750. Next, what he has given? Buildings. Buildings value is how much? 60,000. So 60,000 plus here regarding building we have adjustment, appreciation. What we have? We have an adjustment, that is appreciation. So 60,000 plus 9,000. So 69,000. Now you do the total. So both the sides you should get the equal value. That is 2,47,750. 2,47,750. Okay, this is the admission. Okay, admission of a partner when goodwill is bought in cash. Bought in cash. Okay, I think you have understood it. Okay, practice it.